spec. Oh yeah. Man, my boy really out here in the Gotti. Lost it here. I did absolutely nothing. What is happening, guys? Here, you know, if we got the Yeezys on, we doing some walking today.
The R38 legendary motor, one of the best V6 you can buy on the market. Oh, the Tommy intake.
Got a banger for you guys today. We got a new rally with the boys. It's gonna be a short one though, just for the day. Normally we do like a couple days, but we're just gonna be driving out to Palm Springs, taking an alternate route, getting some scenery, getting some driving in, so it should be pretty lit. It's gonna be some nice cars. I know we got an ACR, 720, GT3, and who knows what else. Drink, 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 had to top it off. Oh yeah, it started raining. Nice. I am very happy that I didn't wash my car. I'd have been pissed. Still look clean though. There it is, guys. Just pulled up. Nice Mercy. Nice, very nice. An Huracan F80. An i8. Very nice. 570 and 5 and 3. Sick ass fools. Ooh, look at that SVJ though. Look at this thing. That ain't 55 though? God damn. All dry carbon. This is the shit Ron right here. You just shitting on people. My dog Uzi with the painted SV. Got a GT3 RS over there. The Gizmo. Man, I'm trying not to get my camera wet. Very nice. We got a nice fleet, man. 720 is clean. Got the Plaid over there. Sheesh. I'm slow today, guys. There's a few cars that gave me the gap. Clean. RSQ8. Oof. Look at this GT2. Change some settings. This bitch, God, look at that. Oh man, this is sick. Damn, keep the studio. When the G's done, for sure gonna hit my boy and get in a shoot in here. It's gonna be sick. I need one of these, bruh. I need that P1 GTR too. Dreams money can buy. Diablo, dog? Damn, was it 992? Very nice. I see them yellow belts in there. I see you.
Oh shit! Nice, bro.
Thank you guys. Man, you got the gloves. Official. Damn. These rear ends are fire. Oh man, look at that spec. Oh yeah. Sick. All bad, man. Unfortunately, it's raining a bit and we're on R888, so no fuckery right now. Gotta drive the speed limit. Should I let him go? Or should I cut him off? Go ahead, sir. How's coming through? My man's car costs more than my dream house. Ain't that a bitch? Come on, focus. That ACR down there looking chunky. And man, bro. Got me fucked up. And I hear them turbos. I really want to see Mo's Plaid against the Chiron. Plaid will take it on a quarter for sure. Half mile, I think the Gotti's gonna get it, but that'd be a pretty sick little roll race to see. Plaid's capping me for sure. That's just unfair. It's just disrespectful. Well, guys, I was trying to film and I lost the pack. So, probably not gonna catch up to them for another 30 minutes or so.
Minutes later.
All bad. Somebody crashed. Fuck. This is bad. Lost it here. Damn, everybody's alright though. Thankfully. Dude, he took all this out. Holy shit. The fact that they walked away from this unscratched, bruh, look at this. Very nice, R33. That's all bad, man. He had R888s on too, so I'm pretty sure that was part of the reason, because it's wet and those R888Rs, bro, any throttle, they do not have any traction. But good thing they're all right. R33 boys. I need my S15 back. Damn, nice, those T's. Big Thrizzle. My boy in the perf behind me got blurped. He had 2 CHP on him. Slow down, young man. So he pulled up. Very nice. Man, my boy really out here in the Gotti. That's crazy. Sheesh, ACR. Bro, I'm so pissed that I didn't buy this car when I bought the R8. I could have made 100K. Sick. I need one. Twin turbo. Calvo built. Sequential. Future kicks. I need one of these too. My crypto need a hit, bro, because I'm tired of working. Freeway. This guy pulls me over for window tint and no front plate. Like, come on, dog. All that. that was an inconvenience. Stop for nothing. Hey man, you supposed to be in the front. You're the fastest here. Gotta get that thing to gap me at some point today.